Hello everyone. Now we are going to continue with that of investigations for the infertility. So first of all, what we say in the infertility, it is related with both. That is here we have to do the investigation of both the partners, that is male partners and the female. That is we have to do it. In case of females, which investigations we can think about? So first about we have to for the fertilization, what is required? The first important thing, the ovulation should take place normally, and the second important thing, the fallopian tube should be intact. So whatever the strategy that what we have to decide for the infertility investigations, that is check whether the ovulation is taking place normally. Second thing, check whether the fallopian tubes are intact, that is called as a tubal patency. So which are the investigations that what we can do it? So what we see over that for test for the tubal patency, hysterosalpingography. Second one is laparoscopic chromotubation, sonosalpingography, hysterophalloscopy, ampullary and fimbrial salpingography. So first I will explain about what is the hysterosalpingography. For tubal patency test, there are two tests, that is the hysterosalpingography. First one is second, we can commonly we can think about it is the Rubin's test, that is Rubin's test. What is the in hysterosalpingography? This test it is done in the X-ray room, where the dye it is pushed from the vagina, and X-ray films are taken and see whether the dye it is coming from the fallopian tubes. That is what we say in this. In this, what they are pushing the dye from this side, and the female it is in the X-ray room, and the whatever the film which is kept downside, and the radiation goes from upside. And what we say that if that whatever the dye which goes, it is a radio opaque dye, and if it is goes from this structure, if it is present, if this the dye it is present from both the sides, that indicates the fallopian tubes are intact. That is the patency test. And another test that what we can do is the Rubin's test. What is done over here? From here, the CO2 it is pushed, and the CO2 goes from this side. And what happens when any patient, when we push the air from CO2, and what we if you use the stethoscope over here, if there is a rumbling sound present over this side, that indicates the fallopian tube are intact. And if the rumbling sound is upside on this side, that indicates the fallopian tube are not intact, that is there is a patency is not properly. That is where this test commonly done for the to see whether the fallopian tube are patent or not. That is the fallopian tube patency test. Then second important, what we have seen, that is for the pregnancy to occur or fertilization to occur, what is the basic things? The ovulation should be takes place properly. And how can you rule out whether the ovulation has taken place or not? So there are tests for ovulation. First test, that is basal body temperature. What is basal body temperature? That what we see that during the basal body temperature, the temperature of the body rises during the ovulation. So if any female, if she want want to get pregnant, if she continuously do the regular temperature or at the morning time, at specific time, and at fixed time, and what we observe that during the ovulation time, what is the temperature it is raised, that is basal body temperature. Second, what we can this can be helpful for that is ovulation has taken place. Second one is the examination of cervical mucus, that is a fern test. What is done? Whatever the cervix which is present over here, the cervical scrapings are taken from this part, and they just make the film on the slide. And if normal, if there is a fern side of structure it is present. Fern it is the plant leaves, it is a plant, and how the leaves shaped structure, if you see on this, then it indicates that the ovulation has taken place. Then common, that is what we can think about the ultrasound, that we can use it for the ovulation. And next one is that is the hormonal assay, that is the estrogen and progesterone, that is the basic hormones which are required for the fertilization. So this is related with it. That is test for ovulation is basal body temperature, examination of cervical mucus, ultrasound, and the third one is that is hormonal assay. Now, in case of male, that is for the fertilization, what is both the things, that is the male gamete and the female gamete it is required. So male gamete it is the sperm and female gamete it is the ovum. So in case of male, what we have to, for fertilization to occur, the chondral part and the local part, that is should be proper. So what we can do it in male for, so first we have to check whether the semen analysis, that what we have to do it, checking that we have to do it. Then post-coital test, that is SIMS test, that what we have to do it. Sperm penetration test, we have to do it. Semen cervical mucus contact test, that is required. Then urine examination is done. Again, same what we see in the female, that is the patency in the fallopian tubes. In the same way, patency of vasogram, that is what we have to do it. Then testicular biopsy that is taking the part of it and sending the part for the further investigation. Then hormonal assay, that is FSH, LH, and the male hormone, that is testosterone, and the, that is again what we have to check, the prolactin and the chromosome study that we have to require for the infertility in males. Immunological test, that is ELISA and RIA, and last one that is the ultrasound scanning, that we can think about it. And now next we are going to see about the what are the pre-operative investigations in gynecology that we should commonly. There are operative procedures, that is the hysterectomy can be, we have to do it, that what are the investigations that commonly done. So it is a complete blood count, that what we are going to do it to see the HB of the patient or any investigation. Then urine analysis, that we have to do it. Then fasting blood sugar and the postprandial blood sugar rule out the diabetes, or if it is present, then whether it is diabetes under control or not. Then bleeding time and the clotting time. Then blood group and the RH factor in case of emergency, if the blood transfusion is required, then we have to know the blood group and RH factor. Then RFT, LFT, serological test, that is the VDRL, serum electrolytes, sodium, that is sodium, potassium, calcium, HCO3, then the chest radiograph, ECG, and intravenous ballography, IVF, that what we can do it. And in some cases of again we require the tumor markers, that is the CA125 adenocarcinoma ovary, then CEA alpha fetoprotect B beta HCG ovarian teratomas. In case of bacterial examination of genital tract, what we require, the smear and the microscopy, culture and the PCR. That is the common investigations which are required in the gynecology. Thank you very much.